High quality, durable, and gorgeous pieces to choose from. So they reached out to me, and I had to have this Hygge white armchair. This chair is stunning, and it literally feels like it's hugging you. It's big and roomy, and it's so comfy. The linen is breathable, it's pliable, it's soft and skin friendly, making it great for kids and pets. It also is scratch and stain resistant. My favorite thing, though, about this chair is that every single piece of linen is detachable, which makes it easy to clean. I will have this chair linked below for you if you want to go check them out. 25 Home. You can also save 5% on your order if you click the link below. That is an affiliate link, but go check it out. I would not lie to y'all. This chair is amazing. It also has the velcro there, so that way it doesn't slip and slide whenever you're sitting on it. And like I said, it's so durable. It's also extremely easy to move. I don't know what kind of feet this thing have, but just to slide it across the carpet was so easy. So definitely go check them out.